A sorbet berry. It looks so squishy and sweet. But it is very, very high up.
Huh? And squish. My boots are too heavy to touch the sky. I need to think. If I bend like the flower, I can reach like the flower. Pull. And hold. Wow, Barnaby.
Thank you, Barnaby. It tastes like a purple hug